I'm going to be talking about how to optimize your Amazon listing using keyword research and SEO. So if you're wanting to learn more and you want to keep updated, hit that subscribe button now and hit that bell icon. If you're new to Amazon selling or you're new to Amazon FBA, check out some of my other videos. They're designed for beginners. Let's run through how to get your keyword research, what tools to use, and how to put it all together. And we're back using the yoga mats. So what we want to do with our keywords is to make sure that we put our keywords into the title and we put it into the description here. The reason we do that is so people can find the product and so we get ranked quickly. Amazon's algorithm will recognize that the keywords we put in are a match to the keywords that the user is putting into Amazon's search and finding the product, if that makes sense. So what you want to do first of all is you go over to this website. I'll put a link in the description. It's called Selix. It's free. It's a free resource. Click on free resources here. You click on Amazon keyword tool. You don't need to sign up. You don't have to put your email address in. And you basically hover over this flag and you select the country that you're selling in. So let's pick United Kingdom. And then you just type in yoga mat. Now what this Selix sonar tool will do is provide you with the highest searched keywords from a customer's perspective. And you will see the search volume here on the right. So you can see that yoga mat has a higher search volume of 5. And the minimum is 1, the maximum is 5. The one below it, thick yoga mat, is the secondly highly searched keyword, the volume of 4. Now, because this is a free tool, you won't get the actual search volume. You won't get the number of searches that are being made on a monthly basis. So this won't tell you that it's 20,000 searches a month or 100,000 searches a month. It's based on this bar, but that's all you need because this information is the exact same information that you'd find on a paid website. So what you would do here is you would use this list and you download this list by clicking and begin download and download again. And your keyword search will come up here. Open this up and it will open up in Word or this program, whatever MacBook gives, Sheets, I don't know what it's called. But what you want to do is you want to click in, you want to select all, Control A or Command A, depending on what laptop you're using. You copy it and you open this up in Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel. Now once that's pasted, you need to get rid of the irrelevant information. So let's delete all of these. Delete rows 1 to 7. Then you highlight row A, click on data, split text to columns because we want to separate out these columns. And here you will find the separator. The separator here is a semicolon. It's broken out into the keywords, the search volume, PPC. So this is used for reverse ASIN lookups usually. And these are the pieces here which are not relevant. So let's delete these. Delete, delete, delete. So now you have these in the order of search volume. So you open up another sheet and you do the same again with the next keyword. So let's take an example of, let's say people are searching Pilates mat. Open this up, copy it all into your second sheet. Okay, so let's try a reverse ASIN lookup. This is the exciting bit. I'm praying that this works, but let's see. So you get the ASIN from here, usually starts with some sort of B or some sort, or you can scroll down and you will find the information here, ASIN. So we are copying this, going over to Sonar, back to the top, delete that, click on ASIN, yep, and then you paste, and hopefully this will show up. This will show the keywords that this person is actually using. Nope, doesn't work. So for some of these products it won't work. Let's try and find a product that it will work. Let's try this. Let's take this one. Let's see. Here we go. So we have this person's SEO. This is the reverse ASIN lookup. This is one of the most amazing things that I have seen That's a free tool. Right, so with this, you do the exact same thing. You download, and download. Put it into Sheets or Excel. And once you've got all of the words that you want to look up, all of the keywords that you think are relevant, you put all of them together into one sheet. So create another sheet. Take this from here, right down to the bottom. Here we go. Highlight all of them, copy and paste. Right, so we go to the bottom of this page, so we can paste the next lot there. So we take all of these words. Now some of them might be the same, but don't worry, we are going to get rid of the duplicates. I will show you how. Right, and then you add this here. Then all you need to do is get back to the top, then you add this as the keyword, this is the volume, and you add a filter. Then you filter the whole thing from top to bottom. So now we know these are our top keywords, specifically these ones here. And these are the words that we want to be using in our title and description. These are the words that we want in here. These are the words that we want in here. These are the words that customers are searching for to find a yoga mat. What do we do next? Open up a new tab. Search for remove duplicate words. First one should be trace my IP. Look for tracemyip.org. You go back to your keywords. You highlight, well, we can now delete this top row. Highlight this row, copy, and you basically paste it into here. What this will do is it will remove any duplicates, and as you can see there's yoga coming up a lot of the time, and it will remove all the duplicates. And you want to make sure that you keep this in the original order. We keep it in the original order because the search volume that's the highest is at the top. So click original order, and here you go. This is the SEO that you will input into your listing. All you do is copy this, get a blank page, and paste. You might want to have a quick run through to see if there's anything that's not relevant on this. You could actually do it at this stage, have a quick run through and just delete stuff that's not relevant. If you have too many words in here, if you have too many words in your SEO and Amazon won't allow you to put any more, all you need to do is come back to this spreadsheet, go down to until the search volume gets to 0, like here. You insert one above, and then everything above this is relevant. Do the same thing, put it into trace my IP, hit original order, and you'll have a much smaller list that Amazon will allow. Once you've got your SEO and you've put it into Amazon, you then need to start creating your listing using the top words that are in this list. So yoga mat, thick yoga mat, see that can be one. Thick yoga mat includes yoga mat, so you already got yoga mat included in there. So make sure you have thick yoga mat in the title and the description. You could include strap if it includes a strap. If it's 15 millimeters, non-slip, etc, etc. These are all the things that people are searching for related to yoga mat. These are the words with the highest search volume. So this is what you want to target, and this is what you want to put in your title and your description. So if we go back to, let's take this one for example. What you'll find is yoga mats in the title here, handle is in the title here, Pilates, exercise, gymnastics, and colors. Now you'll find that probably most of these words are in this top section here. What they will also have done, and what you would need to do, is put it in the description here. Now make sure when you're writing this description, now this is a whole nother topic when you're writing this description. I'm just here to talk about the keywords that you need to include so that you get ranked and you get searched for. In order for people to look at your product and to buy the product, you need to make sure that you're including the benefits to the customer and how your product gives them that benefit. So for example, you could add at the top here, you could put it in capital letters, you could put super thick matte, and then in smaller letters you could put super thick matte to cushion your perfect pose. So you need to add something that is going to benefit the customer. So make sure you show them, not the feature, you want to show them how it benefits the customer. You want to show it how it benefits them, and then you might want to talk about the feature. 6mm, 12mm thick matte. So one quick note before I end this, you only need to use the word once when you're adding it in here. If you use it over and over again, it might help you a tiny bit, but in all honesty, it's not going to help you make that sale. It's not going to help with that much with the SEO. As long as you've got the keywords in there at least once, the top keywords that you need, the top searched keywords that you need, you will be fine. And that's keyword research and SEO for Amazon. Okay, I hope that was super useful for you guys. Just make sure you get your keywords embedded in your title and your summary. It's super important that you do that. Make sure you get your top SEO keywords towards the start of your SEO that you're going to implement into Amazon, and you will be fine. Make sure you check out my other videos, links in the description, and subscribe to the channel. Take care. My other videos, what was that? Here, that you've got the right keys of the keys of the keys of the words.